Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today, for our number talk, we are approximating the product of 3/10 and 29. So that's what that word of means. It lets us know that we need to multiply in order for this to happen. You see, we've got this wavy equal sign. That means about, or we don't need the exact answer. We need the approximate or estimated answer. So in order for that to happen, probably the best thing for us to do, if we want to do this mentally, is to change one of these values, either change the 3/10 or the 29th to a more friendly number. And I'm thinking that 29 is a good target, because if I were to change that to a 30, well, then now I've got a nice even number. It's a multiple of 10. And take a look, my denominator is 10. So now I need to do 3/10 of 30, and that's going to give me an approximate answer. And that's 30 is pretty close to 29, so let's do that. Now, there's a few different ways that we can do 3/10 of 30, right? I can figure out what is 1/10 of 30. So 1/10 of 30, remember, if you multiply by a fraction, it's the same as dividing by the reciprocal. So that really means 30 divided by 10. Because what you do here is you turn it into 1/10 times 30, which needs to be turned into a fraction, which is 30 over 1, and you get 30 over 10. Either way, you're going to get 3. Now that helps us because that's 1/10. So if I get 3/10, right, that's going to get another 1/10, and then another 1/10. So there's my 3/10, and that's going to be 9. Now, that's one way to do it. We can say it's about 9. Some of you mentally might have been able to go ahead and just multiply the 3/10 times 30. Remember, if you want to multiply, it needs to be a fraction, because in your head, you can multiply 3 times 30. That makes 90. And then that means 90 divided by 10. That also equals 9.